How to change video resolution in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Next, click the gear icon at the bottom right corner to open the project settings. In the project settings window, you will see the timeline resolution section. Here you can set the exact resolution for your video timeline, such as 1920 by 1080 for Full HD or 1280 by 720 for SD. You can also select custom resolutions by typing in your desired width and height values. After setting your preferred resolution, click Save to apply the changes. Keep in mind, changing the timeline resolution affects how your video is displayed and exported. So choose the resolution based on your project's need. If your clips don't fit perfectly after changing resolution, use the inspector panel to adjust the zoom and position of each clip manually. Finally, when you are ready to export, go to the Deliver page and confirm that the export resolution matches your timeline settings to avoid any quality loss or unexpected cropping. And that's it. Now you know how to change video resolution in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.